Hi guys, today I'm going to make a Taco Bell Mountain Dew Baja Blast from scratch. First, I got a Diner 1 series, and I'm going to get the cup out of there because I don't have a cup. So let's open this up. Alright. See if we can get this open okay. Let's see, I'm having problems. Alright, now, all I want is, I'm going to use the ice out of here. And we need the cup. So let me see if I can find the cup. Alright, this should be the cup. Here we go. I got the cup. Got the lid. I don't see the straw. Let's see if the straw's in here. There we go. And here's the straw. Okay. Let's see if we can make this. I'm going to open the straw up. Okay, that's that. Let's open the ice up too. Alright. I got some ice. Pour that out. I'm not sure how much we'll need on that one. Then to make the drink, a blue-green drink, what I got is UV resin. Then I've got some blue and green mica powders that I got from the Harry Potter Honeydew series. So let's see if we can make that and see what it looks like. Let's pour some of this in there. Alrighty. See if I can do this without making a mess. That's probably enough. Okay, let's close that up. We don't need this anymore. Hopefully. Let me get a little bit of green out here. I usually use a toothpick. It's just easier to do it that way. I'm going to use all of it if I can get it out. Alright. Now, let me get a little blue. Alright, let me mix this up and see what it looks like. Alright, that looks good. I like. Is that a color I like? Alright, let's pour some of this in here. Alright. I usually do it like half or this full because if you when you put the ice in there, it's gonna make it it's gonna go taller. Let's see if we get some ice in there. I like a lot of ice, so let's see what. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I usually do it like move the ice with a toothpick and I move it to the side so you can really see it. There you go. I'm going to add a little more liquid. I think I got enough. Alright, let's add some more ice. Alright, let's continue. Put more ice in there. Okay. I'm going to use the toothpick again. Alright, now let's get the straw in there. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on it. Okay, let's get the straw in there. Okay, like that. And then what you do, usually I do it in layers, but because this is transparent, the UV light will reach it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cure it like this. I usually use my flashlight on tall stuff. So let's get it cured. And when you cure it, you've got to go all the way around, then top and bottom. You got to make sure it's really cured. I usually do it for about 10 minutes. Okay, then do the top part. And like I said, if anything's covered, then the UV light's not going to reach it and it won't harden. Okay, and then what I normally do is I put it like this, my light, and I put it on there. And I let that light up for about 5 minutes. Okay, that should be done. Then what I did is I had a 20-ounce Mountain Dew bottle, and it was a Baja Blast. Let me see if I can get this. And what it had a Taco Bell. If I can get it, it had a Taco Bell little symbol on it. If you can see that, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue it on our Baja Blast. I'm just going to use Elmer's glue for this one, but I usually use, so I can wash it up, but I do usually use Gorilla Glue or Super Glue on stuff. I'm going to try this again. There we go. All right, I'm just going to use the little dot of this. And let's put it right here. All right, got some glue. Now, I'm going to put the Taco Bell emblem on it. Push that down. Okay. Then any glue that squirted out, I use these little, they're for nails. They have little, like a cotton tip, but they're for nails. And then what I do, like any glue that's on the side, I go ahead and get that off of there. That way you can't see that. It looks like it's a little off. There we go. All right. And that is my Baja Blast from Taco Bell.